Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP, continues to move up in both scenarios. In the last video, we did expect further upside, at least temporarily. I did take the triangle now off the chart. Yeah, we had the idea that all of this could also be an Elliott Wave triangle, basically A, B, C, D, E. But now we're pushing a bit too high, but then again, I can still, this is a triangle that could still extend out. So I've taken it off the chart now, but it doesn't really make a difference because we said either in the C wave we would expect upside or here in the third wave. And we're currently following that. We're following that chart. At the moment against this last swing low where we hit the support area, we can focus on higher. That was here at around 37 cents. We're currently moving higher here. We need to be aware that this could extend out quite a bit. I mean, at least this here is another 5-wave move to the upside that we can count. So I would like to introduce another 1-2 setup. That's when it starts to get unrealistic. I mean, we shouldn't have too many of these 1-2 setups. Above 3 gets unrealistic. So at the moment, I would see this here as another possible 1, here a 2, and then it would, I'm not making these very long now, this would cascade higher. And the reason for that is because we can count that nicely actually as a 5-wave move in itself again. What would be the alternative? Well, the alternative would be that we are only in the blue count, so that this obviously is the 1-2. Then the move up here was the wave 3. This here was a wave 4. And we are now basically in a 5th wave, or actually completed nearly the 5th wave. Like many other coins, also possible. It depends now on which support levels will hold and which will get broken. So I'm going to tell you that now. So if we now look at the 1-hour chart. Oops. So if we now look at the 1-hour chart, we can see this as another small 1-2 setup here that came up. 1-2. Then we had here a wave 3 to the upside, a wave 4 down, and a wave 5 up. And this could now, as I said, complete a wave 1 here. And now we could be in a small ABC correction. So therefore, we're looking for the ideal support levels. If they break, then we have to consider that a larger 5-wave move was complete here. Basically like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll make that a different color just to hide. We'll do it here, sort of. You can't see that, can you? Orange, and then I change the wave degree, and then we can just, at least it sticks out a bit. So that's sort of the other count, which is entirely possible as well. In this count, we completed a larger 5-wave move, and we would have in the accumulation then a nice possibility to accumulate in the retracement. Yeah. So when we now come down. So in the very short term, let's first of all talk about this yellow count here. In the short term, we should hold the area between 38.2 and 40 cents. So that means if we come into this area, it might be a possibility to accumulate or speculate for a trend reversal. And if we break below 38.2, then we need to look at the entire move here. But we need to consider the wick as well. So it will be quite a strong retracement. Then between 36.7 and 32.9. So that will be quite a large area due to the strength of that move. And that might be then another possibility to accumulate. So there's two possibilities depending on which scenario is playing out. Tactically then it would mean, buy orders could be set in the first. But if we break, obviously stop loss and then re-enter down here. But below 32.9, this whole move to the upside will probably not work out. But if we are in line with many other counts, then we should actually look at the orange count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, would complete a large wave 1 then. And we would correct all of this down, yeah? Not just a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But we would correct the entire move. So be careful in this first green box. These are the only, I'm showing you both counts because they are both possible. They are both possible. They are both likely in my opinion. And I think we're already seeing here bearish divergences. I mean, this is the 1 hour chart. There's a bearish divergence. You see it on the 4 hour chart as well. So the uptrend will get exhausted here at some point. But the important thing is that as long as we're holding here this first green support, let's say the micro support area, which goes down to 38.2, as long as that is in place, we can focus on higher. And the target for that third wave up there in yellow, yeah, let's say if we come down into this area, the target for the third wave would be around 48.5 cents. So it's quite a bit of a move that could play out here. But you need to be watching if this support is holding. And if we don't even get into this support area, then either we have a very, very shallow wave 2, or we are still in an extension of the wave 1 here. Yeah, I mean, if we now bounce off here and move up higher, then I don't think we've actually started that wave 2. Then it's just an extension of the wave 1, and I'll pay attention for that for you. I mean, at the moment, as it looks like, we're just retesting this descending trend line from above. Yeah, so if you now see a buy reaction and we break out here to the upside above 43.2, then it could be we're just in an extension here of the first wave, or that orange fifth wave. I think that's what many other cryptos are doing as well. They haven't really started their larger retracement yet, and they are still in an active uptrend. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.